download the eBridge Print and Capture app from the Apple App Store. Your mobile device will need to be connected via Wi-Fi to the same network as your Toshiba eStudio system. Perform the following steps to print photos with eBridge Print and Capture. After installation is complete, launch the application on your iOS device by tapping the eBridge Print and Capture icon. Tap Images in the Print section of the application menu. When prompted, allow the eBridge Print and Capture app to access your photos. Navigate to the location of the photo that you wish to print on your device. Select the desired photo to print. On first use of the app for printing, the system will attempt to locate your Toshiba eStudio system on the Wi-Fi network. If no devices are discovered, tap No Device Selected. Click to discover warning message at the top of the screen. To manually input the IP address for your system, tap Wi-Fi and then select Manual on the lower right side of the app. Tap the blank field to launch the on-screen keyboard. Enter the IP address or full host name of your system and then tap Return in the lower right corner. Make any desired print setting changes and then tap the printer icon in the lower right corner. Your print job will be sent to the Toshiba system via Wi-Fi. Please remain on this screen until the data transmission has been completed, and then retrieve your print document. Tap back at the top left of the screen to return to the main menu.